Making a house for sale flyer can be a fun thing to do. I'm Richard Blake in Clearwater, Florida, and I'm here to explain how to make a house for sale flyer. First thing that you want to do is get a pad and paper, walk around your home and make a list of items that you find really special in your home, items that stand out from other homes in the neighborhood. Second thing that you're going to want to do is take plenty of photos of the home and then choose, say, the 5 best photos of the home and put those on the flyer itself. The photos that you're going to want to include are going to be at least one of the kitchen, one of the master bedroom, and the master bathroom. If you have an outdoor living area, you're going to want to include one of those photos, as well as the front of the home. The front of the home is important, obviously, so the person remembers your property at the end of the day. They may be driving around and grabbing 25 or 30 flyers, so you want to make sure that they remember your property. As well as adding that list of all your favorite things within the home. Add those to the flyer as well, your price point, and most importantly, a phone number to contact you or your real estate agent. Make sure that the phone number that you put on there is going to be a phone that someone answers, preferably a cell phone, so that way you're sure to capture the person calling and give them the information that they need in a timely manner. If you don't do so, they may lose interest or even forget about your home with all the other ones that are on the market. Okay? So there's just a couple ideas on what to put on your flyer there. Most importantly, take some good photos and list the items in the home that are special to you. You guys have a great day. Thank you.